Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can block almost every ad popping out on your phone apps/websites by switching to private DNS. This method might not work on every phone, apps, or website. Open your settings. Select Connections. Select More Connection Settings. Select Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider host name and type in dns@guard.com, then click Save. It's done. This method might not work on every website or apps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.